LP Technologies, a leader in satellite monitoring solutions, introduces the newest update to ASM Nexus. ASM Nexus changes ASM's server structure to add redundancies and eliminates single-point failures. ASM Nexus is ideal for organizations that require 100% monitoring uptime for critical signals. ASM Nexus is also useful for companies that have spectrum analyzers installed around the world and need close servers for operations. At each site, antennas at ground stations receive signals from satellites. Those signals are fed into spectrum analyzers or other signal processing equipment. Spectral data is processed by a local LPT server application and stored indefinitely. At the local level, engineers and operators can connect to the ASM server and observe the traces, generate alarm thresholds, watch history, and modify the spectrum analyzer properties. The local site supports multiple users, allowing for any number of users to connect simultaneously. The data captured by the local LPT server is transferred to the hub server via the LPT Nexus application. ASM Nexus is a power solution for geodiverse organizations thanks to how local sites can transmit trace data to hubs. The hub is a top-level centralized server that consists of a hub server, ASM web server, and a database. The hub runs on computers, virtual machines, or ran in the cloud like AWS or Microsoft Azure. System data collected from any location across the multi-site network is transmitted to the hub database. Multiple remote clients and web-level clients pointed to that hub server can also access the resources. The ASM Nexus system can grow exponentially by simply adding more remote sites and hub systems to the global network. Multiple hub systems can be connected, share data, and act as a backup for each other. If a remote site loses connection to its master hub, the connection is immediately rerouted to the nearest hub until the lost connection is restored. Here is an example of how ASM Nexus works. This company has Hub 1 in a data center in New York, Hub 2 on the Amazon AWS cloud, and Hub 3 located in Australia. All ASM Nexus hubs are a part of a global network that support multiple ground stations around the world. If the site in Brazil loses its connection to the New York hub, the connection is immediately rerouted to the next hub on the list. Here, that's the AWS hub. When the communication is restored between New York and the Brazil site, the Brazil connection will automatically reroute to the New York hub. With local clients, users at each site have access to local spectrum data. Hub-level clients can connect directly to any master hub system on the network and access any spectrum data from any remote site connected to that master hub. Web-level clients can access any spectrum analyzer through ASM Nexus if they have the privilege levels to access the analyzer through LPT's data compartmentalization. Web clients can also connect to other hubs to improve performance, reduce latency, or to continue operations if a hub goes down. All web users on the network can be individually firewalled to access compartmentalized data. The ASM Nexus system is a very simple yet very powerful system that can adapt to nearly any type of network configuration. This robust system can monitor hundreds of sites separated geographically around the world. LP Technologies does not restrict the capabilities of ASM Nexus, so there is no limitation on the number of users or monitoring pieces of equipment. To contact LP Technologies, visit www.lptech.com, email sales@lptech.com, or call 316-831-9696.